Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 382 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow that I have here in the shade Muse, which looks so beautiful. And believe it or not, this is actually a sample from a recent Ulta sample bag. I'm like, this is such a great sample. I am not sure if this is a full-size product. It might be, but it's still like, this is a good size product for a free sample. I mean, gift with purchase sample bag. I still had to pay probably $50 to $75 to get the sample bag, but when I saw this in there, I was pumped. Although this only cost $5. I guess I'm not that familiar with Colourpop, but I was very pleasantly surprised by that price point, especially because it's so high rated. And it comes in 22 shades, it's vegan, and it's cruelty free. And it just sounds so great because it claims to not crease, not fade, and that there's no fallout. And so I did go ahead and prime only one of my eyelids. So I primed this eye using the Urban Decay primer potion, but then I wanted to leave this eye without any primer so that we could really see if it is crease proof. And so I'm going to start out by just swatching it. Oh my gosh, that is so soft and creamy. Whoa. Yeah, that is really pigmented and beautiful. Look at that shine. Oh, I love metallics. And when I first saw this in the packaging, I thought it was like a purpley shade, but then when it's swatched, I'm seeing some pinks, orange, reds. So I like that it has a lot of different tones and shine to it. And now I decided that I'm gonna start out by applying it with a brush and seeing how it blends out. So I'm going to take it on a brush and put it in the crease. Even though I don't typically use metallic shades in my crease, I just wanted to see how it would blend out using a brush. But wow, it's actually blending out really nicely. It's still going on super pigmented even with a dry brush, and it's blending out very evenly. It's not looking patchy. So, wow, that's impressive. And this is the eye with the primer. The only part that's a little difficult is actually getting it onto the brush, since it is that almost cream formula. The brush doesn't pick it up very much. This actually looks so pretty in the crease, even with that sparkle, but like it's such a pretty shade. I really am liking the look of this already. And on my eye without the primer, it's also blending out beautifully. All right, so far I'm very impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the entire eyelid using my finger. And when I was reading about this product, they suggested applying it with the finger or blending it out with a brush. So I wanted to try both methods. Yeah, so beautiful. It does kind of look like the color that it's coming off of my finger almost looks like a different shade than when I applied it with the brush. I think because it's a little bit more foiled as I'm applying it with my finger, therefore it looks more of like a reddish purple shade, and then the crease looks more orange, but then they also like go together beautifully so that you really only need one eyeshadow. Yeah, seriously, so quick and easy to apply. And I love the texture of this. It's so nice. Yeah, so this claimed no fallout, and that is the truth. No fallout, even when I applied it with the brush, there was no fallout. And that's because of that amazing texture. Okay, so now let me get up close so that you can see the eye with the primer versus the eye without the primer. And I think that both eyes look identical. Both applied so nicely, easily, beautifully. And I'm actually really liking this one color eyeshadow look. I mean, I could just also take this onto the lower lash line and be good to go. I wouldn't even need to use any other eye colors or eye pigments or eyeliners. So that's pretty impressive. That means it's a versatile, great shade, which this is what came in a sample. Like, I'm so excited about this. And now, yeah, even just looking up close, looking for any creasing, really no noticeable difference between primer versus no primer. Neither of the eyes is creasing, which is pretty impressive because I have a lot of lines in my eyelids and products always crease on me. So I'm very happy about that. And then this also claimed to be fade resistant. Wait, there is no transfer. I did not expect that. So it's completely fade resistant. That's amazing. I thought it would at least smudge and be like a little bit of shimmer on my finger, but no. Wow, I thought that really only ever happened with like liquid eyeshadows, but wow. No, that happened with a $5 eyeshadow. Yeah, no wonder this is so high rated. I'm so glad this comes in so many beautiful colors because I want to get more of these. This is such a great eyeshadow. I highly recommend it. I am so impressed right now. I just wish I had tried this sooner. It's so good. If you haven't tried it yet, I definitely think that you should pick one of these up. And if you have tried it, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. Do you love it as much as I do? I just love when products live up to their claims, the hype, my expectations, and this absolutely did. Now we'll see if I have as much success with tomorrow's product, but thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.